Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, April 22nd, 2019. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a pesky coastal low developing off of the mid-Atlantic coast, basically to the east of Delaware, and that low pressure system will be bringing the threat for periods of showers, heavy at times, right along the immediate coast on through Long Island and into Connecticut. Now, as you move further west, you'll have your threat for isolated or widely scattered showers, but pretty much it's just going to be a cloudy day out there with breaks of sun here and there. Temperatures this morning range from the lower to mid 50s over much of the region, upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, and winds are backing from the north-northeast to the northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour, and that will continue on through today as our low pressure system tracks through the coastal waters and heads towards the New England coastal waters. On the satellite picture really tells the whole story here. Our coastal low, which is right about here, is starting to get itself organized and really starting to intensify. Now, this is all associated with an upper level low that has been pretty much keeping our weather pattern pretty active, led to a lot of severe weather over the past 3 days. Now, this upper level low and surface low pretty much is about to get kicked out. But before it does, it produces this coastal low, and as you can see, it's sending moisture right back into the coast. You can literally see the waves of lifting here. Now, the cloud tops are becoming colder, which means the lifting is getting stronger. So as the lifting gets stronger, the precipitation shield starts to expand a little bit. But because of the timing of this low pressure system development, it's not going to be able to fully mature. But it's still going to be capable of producing some heavy downpours right along the immediate coast from Delaware through New Jersey, on up through Long Island and into southern Connecticut. One caveat here is that with these heavy downpours right along the immediate coast, don't be surprised, for example, if portions of, let's say, Monmouth County, right around Belmar, ends up with periods of rain this afternoon. But as you head a little bit further west towards, let's say, Freehold, pretty much almost nothing, just a few passing showers and then a cloudy day. And then as you head towards Trenton, you might see an isolated shower, but for the most part, a cloudy day. So my point here is that pretty much the grand impact from this storm will be along the immediate coast. So if you're on the beach, you're out of luck, unfortunately. And pretty much if you're living throughout Long Island, it's going to be a wet afternoon as well. And if you're getting to the Mets game, well, maybe they could use a rain delay. So there we go. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, our coastal low pressure system organizes. Periods of rain right along the coast, more isolated, widely scattered as you move inland. But with the transport of an Atlantic air mass into the entire region, look for temperatures to basically range in the lower to mid 60s throughout the area. For tonight, that low pressure system starts to pull away, with showers continuing on, especially over Connecticut and Long Island through about midnight, and then clearing out towards tomorrow morning. Look for lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s. For tomorrow afternoon, there's a threat for an isolated shower, but pretty much a scattered cloud cover type of day, with temperatures rising into the mid 60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast, lower to mid 70s everywhere else. On Wednesday, a cold front will move through with scattered showers. Again, not a washout, but a few showers here and there, capable of a heavy downpour. Look for lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s, highs in the mid to upper 60s. On Thursday, a threat for an isolated shower with some of these pesky troughs rotating through, but for the most part, a dry day. Look for scattered cloud cover with lows in the mid 40s and highs in the mid to upper 60s. On Friday, a cold front will approach with a warm front lifting northward. Look for scattered showers throughout the region. As you can see, there are plenty of cold fronts that are going to be moving through in this weather pattern. Temperatures on Friday will range from the upper 40s to lower 50s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs. A little caveat here, though. If these cold fronts are going to be moving through, let's say, a little bit later, don't be surprised to see some temperatures in the 70s on Friday, especially in the Philadelphia metro. On Saturday, another cold front will move through, the last of these cold fronts. Look for some showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon, a bit windy. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to mid 40s for lows and upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. On Sunday, high pressure and complete control, a dry day, no threat for showers. Look for scattered cloud cover. Look for lows in the mid 40s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. And on Monday, another cold front moves through with a threat for some scattered showers. Look for lows in the mid 40s, highs in the mid 60s. And pretty much our weather pattern is going to continue like this on through early May. where basically we continue to remain in a clash between cooler air masses to the north and warmer air masses to the south, and this frontal boundary basically wavering in between those boundaries, those air masses, and these low pressure systems running along those boundaries. So as a result, a constant threat for showers and temperatures jumping 10-20 degrees every other day depending on where that boundary is. So welcome to spring. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.